Lena was a kind woman. She was also very happy. She lived in a small town. The town was quiet, and the people were simple. There were green fields, small houses, and many nice people. Lena loved her peaceful life. She worked as a teacher, helping children learn new things every day. But in her heart, Lena had a dream. She dreamed of finding true love. She wanted to meet a man who would love her, care for her, and make her smile every day. One sunny afternoon, Lena went to a party with her friends. The party was lively. There was music, people were laughing, and everyone was dancing. Lena stood quietly at the edge of the room, watching people having fun. She wasn't shy, but she liked to watch. As she looked around, she saw a man. His name was Sam. Sam was tall and had a big smile. He looked kind, and when he smiled, it made everyone feel happy. Lena liked how Sam made everyone around him feel good. Sam saw Lena standing alone. He walked over to her with a friendly smile. "Hello," he said. "You look very lovely today." Lena smiled. She was shy, but she liked hearing him say that. "Thank you," she said in a soft voice. Sam and Lena started talking. They talked about the party, their lives, and the things they liked to do. Sam made Lena laugh. He was funny and kind, and Lena felt special when he spoke to her. After the party, Sam asked for Lena's phone number. "I would love to talk to you again," he said with a smile. Lena felt happy. She gave him her phone number. The next morning, Lena woke up to a message from Sam. "Good morning, beautiful," it said. "I hope you had a nice sleep." Lena smiled as she read the message. No one had ever called her beautiful like that before. From that day, Lena and Sam started talking every day. Sam would send her messages like, "How are you today? Did you eat lunch, and how was your day?" Lena loved getting these messages. They made her feel important. Sam would call her, too. When he called, Lena's heart beat fast. She felt excited to hear his voice. They talked about their dreams, their hopes, and the things they loved. Every day, Lena started thinking that maybe Sam was the man she had been waiting for. He seemed so kind, and he made her laugh. He always knew what to say to make her feel happy. Lena started to trust Sam more and more. She began to believe that their love was real. She dreamed of a happy future with Sam. One evening, Sam took Lena out for dinner. It was a beautiful night. The stars were shining brightly. They sat at a small table outside, talking and laughing. The cool breeze made Lena feel calm and happy. "You are very special to me," Sam said, looking into her eyes. Lena smiled and felt safe with him. She felt that maybe her dream of true love was coming true. But after a little while, things started to change. Sam stopped sending the sweet messages. When Lena texted him, he did not reply quickly. Sometimes, he didn't reply at all. Lena felt confused and sad. Why is he acting like this? She thought. She remembered how he used to reply right away, how he used to call her every night. Now, it felt like he didn't care about her anymore. One day, Lena sent Sam a message. "Hi, how are you? I miss talking to you," she wrote. Sam saw the message, but he didn't reply. Hours passed, and still, Lena did not hear from him. Her heart hurt. She remembered how Sam used to make her feel special. Now, it felt like she didn't matter at all. Lena started to cry. "What did I do wrong?" she whispered to herself. She didn't understand what had happened. Maybe he is just busy, she told herself. But deep down, she knew something had changed. Sam was no longer the man he used to be. Lena's grandmother had once told her, "A smart woman knows her worth." If you respect yourself, others will respect you too. Never give too much of yourself to someone who doesn't care about you. Lena thought about these wise words. She realized that she had made a mistake. She had trusted Sam too quickly. She had given him her heart without thinking about it. And now, Sam didn't care for her the way she had hoped. One evening, Lena looked at herself in the mirror. She saw the tears in her eyes, but she also saw her strength. "I am a good person," she whispered softly. "I deserve respect, and I will not let anyone make me feel bad." She decided she would take care of herself. She started doing things that made her happy. She went for long walks in the park, read her favorite books, and spent time with her friends. Slowly, the pain in her heart became a little less. Sam never came back. But Lena didn't need him anymore. She had learned an important lesson. Love should not hurt, she said to herself. True love makes you happy and respected. Lena realized that she didn't need someone to complete her. She was complete by herself. She learned to love herself first. Now, Lena tells other women her story. She says, "Respect yourself. Know your worth. Don't give your heart to someone who doesn't care for you. You are special, and you deserve to be loved the right way." Lena became stronger and happier. She found peace in her heart. And that made all the difference in her life.